Here she is, folks. The one and only. Ryan with the first fish. I missed a couple others, but there you go. Panfish swim bait. Nice work. Yeah. That is a fish, guys. Let's get some more action. Yep. The pole's bending, baby. Ah. Got a trout maggot. Ooh. And it is a nice sized bluegill. Look at that guy. Nice. It's fun stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Hit.
Got aim.
Yeah. Hit. Hike. Oh, look it. A bass. A bass for the morning here. I'm telling you folks, you want a tip for the day? Use the trout magnet for warm water. You will not be disappointed. I've caught good sized bass on it.